Pet owners were all rushing online to stock up on supplies, so we saw a sudden surge in our orders. We expect more physical retailers to start taking their business online. This means we have to do more and do it fast if we want to get ahead of the competition. Since we are an e-commerce business, we're always trying to improve our user experience and create more engaging content, even before COVID-19 happened. I was glad that DBS had a wide range of solutions to help us upskill our digital capabilities. No one knows for sure what the post-COVID-19 future will bring. But if we can stay agile, embrace innovation, upskill, and even reskill when necessary, I think we'll be ready to seize any opportunity that comes our way.